911. What's your emergency? Me. I just had an accident on University Avenue. I was checking my rearview mirror when the car ahead stopped suddenly. 911. Are you injured? What happened when they stopped? Me. I am okay. I hit the brake pedal, but my car skidded on the wet road. I swerved to the right, but I still crashed into them. 911. Glad you are safe. Is there much damage to your vehicle? Me. Yes, the front bumper is bent and the left headlights are broken. The windshield is also cracked, and my front right tire is completely flat. 911. Understood. A patrol unit is on the way. Please wait in a safe area. Me. Thank you. I will.